Handbrake is a free open source application that allows you to convert video from one format to another. However, as Handbrake is not supported in ChromeOS, in order to install it onto our Chromebook, we're going to need to use Linux Development Environment. As we've already installed LDE, let's open the LDE menu and load a Linux terminal window by selecting Penguin. We now need to check that the instance of Linux that we are using is up to date. So at the command prompt, if we type sudo apt-get update, when we press enter on our keyboard, Linux will check for updates. When we are once again presented with a command prompt, if we type sudo apt-get dist-upgrade. After pressing enter on the keyboard, any updates that Linux has found will be installed onto our computer. We are now ready to install Handbrake. However, so that installing software into our instance of Linux is easy, in a previous video we installed a software management utility called Flatpak. The Flatpak command for installing Handbrake is sudo flatpak install flathub fr.handbrake.ghb. When we press enter, Flatpak searches for the Handbrake files that need to be installed and prompts us to confirm that we wish to make changes to our system installation. If we type Y for yes, Handbrake will install into our instance of Linux. We now need to wait until we are informed that the installation is complete. When we are once again presented with a command prompt, we can type exit to close our terminal window. We can also close the LDE menu and try and load Handbrake. If we open the launcher and search for a folder called Linux Apps, within the Linux Apps folder we will find an icon for Handbrake. When we select this icon, Handbrake will load. However, the speed that it loads will be dependent on the specification of your Chromebook. Don't forget that while Handbrake appears to be running natively on our Chromebook, it is in fact running in a virtual instance of Linux installed within ChromeOS. This means that while you can see and use the Handbrake application, ChromeOS and Linux cannot see each other. So for example, after converting a video file, that file will not appear in ChromeOS but in a folder in Linux. So we recommend that you look at creating a shared folder so that you can share files between Linux and ChromeOS.